Hi all, today we are discussing starting a business with £1,000 is definitely possible, but it will require some careful planning and execution. Here are some tips on how to get started. Choose the right business idea. Not all businesses are created equal, and some are more suited to a small budget than others. Some good options for businesses that can be started with £1,000. Freelance services. If you have skills in a particular area, such as writing, editing, or web design, you can start a freelance business and offer your services to clients online. Online businesses. There are many different types of online businesses that can be started with a small budget. Some examples include e-commerce stores, dropshipping businesses, and affiliate marketing businesses. Local businesses. If you have a product or service that is in demand in your local area, you can start a local business with a small budget. Some examples include dog walking services, house cleaning services, and tutoring services. Do your research. Before you launch your business, it's important to do your research and make sure there is a market for your product or service. You should also research your competitors and understand what they are doing well and where they are falling short. Create a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business. It should outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. A business plan will help you stay on track and make sure your business is on the right track to success. Get the necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you are starting, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits. You can find out more about the licensing requirements in your area by contacting your local government. Market your business. Once you have your business up and running, you need to start marketing it to potential customers. There are many different ways to market your business, such as online marketing, social media marketing, and print advertising. Manage your finances carefully. One of the most important things you can do to ensure the success of your business is to manage your finances carefully. This means tracking your income and expenses, setting a budget, and making sure you are not overspending. How to make a profit. Making a profit is the ultimate goal of any business, but it can be challenging to do so with a small budget. However, there are a few things you can do to increase your chances of success. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to make a huge profit overnight. Set realistic goals for your business and focus on achieving them one step at a time. Offer quality products or services. Your products or services should be of the highest quality possible. This will help you attract and retain customers, which will ultimately lead to more profit. Provide excellent customer service. Customer service is essential for any business, but it is especially important for businesses with a small budget. Make sure you provide excellent customer service to your customers, as this will help you build a loyal customer base. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful business. Don't get discouraged if you don't make a profit right away. Just keep working hard and eventually, you will achieve your goals. Let's focus on the overview of the UK business landscape. To do that, we need to present intriguing statistics about the number of new businesses being registered in the UK each year. Highlight the sectors experiencing growth and success, and explain why they are favorable for small businesses. Discuss government support, tax incentives, and initiatives that encourage entrepreneurship. Next stop is to researching profitable business ideas. Make a variety of low-cost business ideas suitable for the UK market. Emphasize the importance of market research and choosing a niche with high potential. Provide data and examples of successful businesses in the UK that started with minimal investment. Up next is planning and budgeting. Explain the significance of a solid business plan and its components. Offer guidance on creating a business budget with a focus on cost-saving measures. Provide tips on securing funding through grants, loans, and crowdfunding platforms. Up next is bootstrapping and cost optimization. Present innovative strategies to minimize initial costs, such as home-based businesses, shared office spaces, and virtual teams. Highlight the benefits of using technology and affordable digital tools for marketing, communication, and productivity. Discuss cost-effective marketing techniques, including social media, content marketing, and word of mouth. Legal and administrative considerations has to be considered next. Outline the legal requirements for starting a business in the UK, including company registration, tax obligations, and insurance. Provide resources and websites for entrepreneurs to navigate legal procedures effectively. Offer advice on managing paperwork, licenses, and regulations. Social media is the key in 2023, so building an engaging online presence. Emphasize the importance of a professional website and engaging social media presence. Share tips on creating quality content and utilizing SEO strategies to attract customers. Provide data on the increasing importance of online sales and consumer behavior trends. Everyone loves some success stories and case studies. Showcase inspiring success stories of entrepreneurs who started businesses with limited funds in the UK. Interview or feature entrepreneurs who overcame challenges and achieved remarkable growth. Discuss the lessons learned and strategies implemented by these successful entrepreneurs. At the end, summarize the key points covered in the video. Encourage viewers to take action and start their own businesses, emphasizing that it's possible even with a small budget. Provide additional resources and links for further information. End with an inspiring call to action, motivating viewers to embrace their entrepreneurial spirit. I thank you all for your time and do let us know if you are planning to start your own business this year. Do hit us up with your queries and we will do our best to provide you with more information on that.